Is it time to buy or sell China Liberal Education Holdings Limited stock? In this video, we are diving deep into China Liberal Education Holdings Limited. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 22nd of January, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched artificial intelligence stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of artificial intelligence and get free price predictions and deep analysis for anyone among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since December 26, 2024, our system has ranked China Liberal Education Holdings Limited as a strong buy candidate, assigning it a score of 7.34. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this period. Those who followed our analysis would have experienced an impressive gain of 93.51% since we first identified China Liberal Education Holdings Limited as a buy candidate 17 days ago. This translates to an average return of 5.5% per day since it was designated as a strong buy candidate. The current 3-month trend indicates a potential change of approximately 441.91% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from 47.16% to 441.91%. When considering the 12-month trend, it suggests a decrease of about 18.92% over the course of the next year, with a potential return that could range from negative 100% to negative 62.35%. This implies a price range varying from $0 to $2.27 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for China Liberal Education Holdings Limited includes the headline: Volatile ride for China Liberal Education Holdings Limited stock price on Wednesday, moving between $4.82 and $6.15. The China Liberal Education Holdings Limited stock price gained approximately 13.16% on the last trading day, which was Wednesday, the 22nd of January, 2025, rising from $5.32 to $6.02. This marks a 3-day gaining streak. It will be interesting to see if it can continue this upward trend or take a brief pause in the coming days. During the last trading session, the stock fluctuated by 27.59%, with a low of $4.82 and a high of $6.15. Over the past 2 weeks, the stock has seen a total gain of 68.16%. Moreover, trading volume increased on the last day alongside the price, which is a positive technical indicator, with a total of 126 million more shares traded than the previous day. In total, 126 million shares changed hands for approximately $758.45 million. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached was $6.15, while the lowest was 12.1 cents. Currently, the price stands 2.11%, or 13 cents, below the 52-week high, and 42.45%, or $4.44, below the all-time high reached on August 28, 2020, when the price peaked at $10.46. China Liberal Education Holdings Limited, trading under the symbol CLEU on Nasdaq, has recently garnered attention after regaining compliance with Nasdaq's minimum bid price requirement. As of January 10, 2025, they received confirmation that they are back in adherence to the Nasdaq listing rules, particularly the minimum bid price requirement, which mandates shares remain above $1 for 30 consecutive business days. This renewed compliance is significant, as it helps ensure the continued listing of CLEU on Nasdaq and prevents potential delisting, a factor that weighs heavily on investor sentiment and stock stability. In the short term, this compliance news is likely to lend a boost to stock price, as investor confidence typically increases when companies resolve compliance issues. However, in the long term, the impact may depend significantly on the overall performance of the company. The recent announcement of a share consolidation, where 15 shares will be combined into one, may initially raise the per-share price, but could also lead to reduced liquidity and heightened volatility. Moreover, the company has faced challenges recently, including a reported decline in revenues due to the end of key consulting projects. Continued focus on innovation and revenue growth will be crucial for CLEU to maintain its market position and attract investor interest moving forward. Analysts have assigned China Liberal Education Holdings Limited a general neutral rating for its stock. The price-to-earnings ratio is rated as a strong sell, while the price-to-book ratio is considered neutral. Regarding return on investment, analysts have rated the stock as a strong sell. The following signals have been identified for China Liberal Education Holdings Limited. The stock of China Liberal Education Holdings Limited shows buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive outlook. Additionally, a general buy signal is present, as the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average. Should the stock experience downward corrections, support is expected at levels of $4.78 and $2.20. A drop below either of these levels would trigger sell signals. A buy signal was generated from a pivot bottom point on Monday, December 23, 2024, and to date, the stock has surged 3,616.05%. Further increases are anticipated until a new top pivot is established. The trading volume is rising in tandem with the price, which is regarded as a favorable technical indicator. However, some negative signals have also emerged, potentially impacting short-term developments. Additionally, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, commonly known as MACD. Here are some additional signals you might find intriguing. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots suggest a buy signal from 19 days ago. The short-term moving average shows a buy signal from 6 days ago. The long-term moving average also indicates a buy signal from 19 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages reveals a buy signal from 19 days ago. Reviewing the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average indicates a buy signal from 19 days ago. The long-term moving average shows a buy signal from 19 days ago. Again, the relationship between the short and long moving averages confirms a buy signal from 19 days ago. For more signals, remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for China Liberal Education Holdings Limited. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $5.05 and $5. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, as breaking this level may lead the stock to fall to the next support. In this case, China Liberal Education Holdings Limited finds support just below today's level at $5.05. If this support is breached, the next levels of support from accumulated volume will be at $5 and $4.71. This stock may experience significant movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility. With a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is considered to be very high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $1.33 between its high and low points, reflecting a change of 27.59%. For the past week, the daily average volatility of the stock has been 24.28%. Before we delve into the potential trading levels for China Liberal Education Holdings Limited, let's briefly review some key fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric assesses a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or incurring losses. Established companies can also face downturns, often due to circumstances beyond their control. However, a pattern of consistently negative PE ratios may suggest inadequate profitability and potential risks of bankruptcy. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for China Liberal Education Holdings Limited. There's no significant resistance from accumulated volume above, which indicates that the stock could move upwards swiftly under the right conditions. In this scenario, you might consider entering a position and using volume as a guide for when to exit. On the downside, China Liberal Education Holdings Limited faces its first support level at $5.05. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point with the expectation of a rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at $5.79, representing a decline of 3.76%. This stock experiences significant daily fluctuations, which contributes to a high level of risk. There is currently a buy signal indicated by a pivot bottom that was identified 18 days ago. Is China Liberal Education Holdings Limited stock a good buy? China Liberal Education Holdings Limited exhibits several positive signs and is on a robust upward trajectory. As the old saying goes, let the trend be your friend. Thus, we regard it as a favorable option at current levels, anticipating further gains over the next 3 months. We have enhanced our analysis conclusion for this stock since the last evaluation from a buy to a strong buy candidate. After assessing the volatility and movements from the previous trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Thursday, the 23rd of January, we predict that China Liberal Education Holdings Limited will open lower by approximately 35 cents and begin trading at $5.66. It is important to remember that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. Therefore, it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment choices should not be solely based on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With warm regards from all of us here at StockInvest.